Hi there, and welcome to the Kids Cloud Club. My name is Karthik Arun, CEO and founder of the club, and today you will be learning about cloud computing. My dad is an accountant. He handles all of his customers' financial data. All of that data is stored in a box called the server. This server box is right new to my dad and is very near and dear to him. My dad loves his servers. He wants to protect his servers from burning. He pays for all the air conditioning to keep it cool. He pays for electricity to keep the servers working. He is forced to keep upgrading the server. All this costs money. So what are his options? How about renting servers? That's where cloud computing comes into the picture. Cloud computing means my dad does not even have to touch the server. He does not need to look over them. He does not have to protect it. This all means more savings. It's a great idea. All this is great. Where do I go to rent the servers? Now comes the cloud providers. There are three main cloud providers: Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. It's very easy to get started. All you need is to create an account. For that, you need a credit card. It just takes a few minutes and is so very